all, this is Siri and welcome back to Kisi's kitchen. Today we are going to prepare soft and spongy instant Khaman Dhokla. The ingredients we need for Khaman Dhokla are besan, 5 teaspoons of sugar, salt as per taste, half a spoon of turmeric powder, 3 to 4 green chilies, coriander leaves, mustard seeds, curry leaves. In a bowl, I am adding 3 cups of besan. Sift it so that no lumps should remain. Now to this I am adding 2 spoons of sugar, half a spoon of salt, pinch of turmeric powder. Mix it well together. Now add 2 spoons of oil. Mix it again. Gradually add water. For 3 cups of besan, it took 1.5 cup of water. Whisk everything well. The batter should be in flowing consistency. Not very thick, not very thin. Rest this batter for about 10 minutes. Now for steaming, here I am taking a big kadai. Put wire stand or ring whatever you have in it and pour some water and cover it with big plate and let the water boil for 3 to 4 minutes. Now grease the tin with oil. Now to the batter I am adding ENO and also 1 spoon of water. Mix it well. As you can see, the batter is fluffing up. Now pour this batter immediately into the tin. Place the tin into the kadai. Cover it with a plate and steam for 20 minutes on high flame and 10 minutes on low flame. After 30 minutes, turn off the flame. Remove the tin and let it come to the room temperature. In between, let's make dhokla syrup. Heat kadai. Add 3 teaspoons of oil. Add 3 to 4 green chilies. Take these out. Now add mustard seeds. Curry leaves. Pour 1 cup of water. Add 3 teaspoons of sugar. If you like more sweet, you can add 2 spoons more. And now salt as per taste. Stir it. Turn off the flame. Flip it over, tap the tin to take out dhokla from it. Grease the oil on knife, cut the dhokla in squares like how I am doing it. Pour hot syrup on the dhokla. Do not pour all together. And rest this for 10 minutes. Let the dhokla absorb all the syrup. Our healthy and tasty dhokla is ready to eat. So thank you for watching this video. If you like it, then make sure to subscribe to my channel and please do like and share this video. I will see you in my next video.